I am the boomstick.
Greetings, this is Cast, and welcome to a simple tutorial talking about shard selection. At first glance, the list may seem very daunting. There are a lot of choices, and perhaps some terms that the first-time user is not familiar with. Each shard or server houses different characteristics, depending on the type of server it is, how close the server is to your current location, and other features like the rule sets of the server, the main language spoken on the server, and the population or how many people are already playing on that server. The first thing a new user should do is search for which type of server that they want to play on based on their playing style. Each type of server houses different rule sets governing that server so that all the players are uniform in the way they play or the way they're supposed to interact with each other or the game. First, we'll talk a little bit about PvE, or player versus environment. On PvE servers, the focus is completing the game's main content. Player interaction is simply social. In-game fighting is completely voluntary. Those wishing to fight other players can simply enter a duel or join a warfront where in-game fighting is available. PvP, or player versus player servers, have the opposite rule set, where in-game fighting is involuntary and a part of the game mechanic, thus challenging players to complete the in-game content as well as attack and defend from other real-life players. There are also PvE or PvP, RP, or role-playing servers. These servers are dedicated to individuals who create personas for their characters and act out those personas as they play the game.
Do you wanna date my avatar? She's a star and she's hotter than reality by far.
RP rule sets simply require that the player stay in character while they are gaming, and the community frowns upon those who are out of character or try to disrupt the RP experience. The last thing to consider is latency. Latency is the distance from the server to your current location, but based on your connection speed, this may not be a deal breaker. Just to be safe though, you can always pick a recommended server from the list. Once your final decisions are made, go ahead and click on a server of your choice, and click play. Onward, my friends! I'll see you on the other side.